Hi, it's James Mitchell. Here's another video on Workshop Software. I really hope you get some great value from it and you enjoy it. All the best.
Hey, it's James at Workshop Software. Hey, I wanted to give you a little secret. I can't tell any of the team. They're going to get super cranky with me if I tell you, or they know that I've told you that this is coming, but I'm just too excited because I just wanted to let you know what's going on. So we've been working for months and months, for a very long time, on business intelligence, and I just wanted to show you just one little snippet of a very big part of what we're about to deliver, or going to start to deliver in the next few months, maybe weeks, but about business intelligence. And I just want to show you the vehicles dashboard and just part of what the vehicles dashboard has got in it, which is pretty awesome. So let's jump in and take a look. So you can see a couple of graphs now. They give you a bit of insight into what's going on in your workshop. So for example, in 2019, we can see here that we've serviced 156 vehicles, and the average dollar sale, which is the red line, okay, that's the average dollar value, is $131 of average dollar sale. Now that's cool information in itself, but what makes this super cool is then when you do things like, for example, I can click on Toyota, okay, and then that shows you then the breakdown of that for Toyotas only. So you can see here in 2019, you had a $542 average dollar sale on 6 Toyotas. In 2017, you did 38 Toyotas. Now you can take this even further. If you right click on this, you can go into the calendar hierarchy and say for example, you wanted to break it down by quarters, or by months, or by days for that matter. And so what you can see is the quarter 4 2017, you can see that you did 23 cars at $225 average dollar sale. What we can also do is, if we clear this selection, it still stays in quarters for 2017, but now it's for all of the vehicles. So I can drill into a different vehicle if I wanted to and just say show Fords for argument's sake. Or I might want to clear that selection, and then you can go into others. You'll notice here that it's got others in here. And the others then break it down into all of the other vehicles that you've actually got in your system. So you might want to take a look at, well, show me what happened with Subarus. Okay, there were no results in 2017 for Subarus, but I could clear that and go, okay, well, there was only 3 Subarus in 2018 that I worked on. So again, you can clear those selections. So you see that interactivity between the two graphs and giving you those insights into what's going on with the vehicles in your workshop. Now, this is just, as I said in the beginning, one snippet of what the whole business intelligence system is going to do. So we're working on this for numerous other areas of the system, not just vehicles, but all sorts of things that are in the system. So you can see about the power and the what this could mean for the business intelligence of your workshop, and how you can make business decisions based upon what's actually going on, and cutting into data that otherwise you might not have been able to know exactly what was going on. So this is going to be a really massive and important change to Workshop Software. It's a secret at the moment. Don't tell anyone. It's not released yet, but I just wanted to give you a bit of an insight, bit of a teaser into what's going on. This is super cool. Thanks for watching.